In the previous video, we show you the overlooks of Canyonlands. We spend the night there, and the next day we head towards Dead Horse Point State Park. This is only 10 miles or 16 kilometers from Canyonlands, at the same elevation of 5,000 feet or 1.5 kilometers above sea level. And its overlooks offer views of the so-called Dead Horse Point, the solar evaporation ponds, and the Colorado River, which is 2,000 feet or 600 miles below this vantage point. As this state park belongs to the same area as Canyonlands, from its viewpoints, you can also see the gravel road called Schaefer Trail, which is the road that descends from Island in the Sky in Canyonlands, forming part of the trail called Wide Rim Road. When my dad saw the Schaefer Trail again, he couldn't resist the drive through it, and he tried to convince my mom to do this route. Tango had to get his shoes dirty on this road that my dad saw as amazing and my mom as terrifying. It had already been explained to us that to avoid the descent from the Canyonlands that goes down to about 1,500 feet or 450 meters, we had to leave the park and head towards Moab, where we would take a gravel road called Potash. My dad ended up convincing my mom that same day we adventured to this route. But we'll show this 4x4 trip in the next video. You may wonder why the state park was named Dead Horse Point State Park. In the visitor center, an exhibition tells the story. Although wild horses inhabited these areas on North America 50 million years ago, they became extinct during the last ice age, which was about 10,000 years ago. But the arrival of the Spanish in 1500 AD brought horses to these areas of Utah. They were of the Mustang breed that used to run wild and free through these canyons. Around 1800, cowboys developed numerous methods to capture them. It occurred to them to corner them in the area of the canyon called the Neck, which offered itself as a natural corral. When they caught a herd in this area, they only kept the best horses, and many times those that weren't chosen died in this place due to a lack of water and food. Unfortunately, this story didn't have a happy ending for these horses, but the name that this place received is a reflection of what really happened in these areas of the far west. We thank you for watching this video until the end, and we ask you that if you like what you see, please subscribe to our channel. In the next video, we promise to show you our adventure on the Schaefer Trail.